Hi everyone, my name is Nadia Schepers and I'm from Swinko. Today we're standing in front of this beautiful farm of one of our clients. What we see in the market is that the live-born piglets race every year, what means there's less milk available for every piglet. We have something that can solve this problem. Let's go! This is our fully automatic automix system. It's a cut system that makes sure that your piglets have fresh feed 24/7 in the farrowing pen. You can feed milk, but also a pre-starter in our automix. We'll make sure that your piglet learns to eat, but also learns to digest. What's very important at the weaning process. Our automix is very easy to use. We just have 3 buttons, and if you want to clean the whole system automatically, you just push one button. It's making a fresh portion right now. Let's see where it goes. We can install the cup with a plastic or a stainless steel pipe. Also, the cup cannot overflow because of our unique nibble. The other benefits are that you have more body weight during weaning and your weaning process will be a lot smoother.